Too many coffee makers hide the trade-off that matters. Start with the Kalita Wave 185 dripper for forgiving pour-over, unless mornings demand push-button speed. Choose by effort, batch size, space, and upkeep. For beginner pour-over, choose the Kalita Wave 185 dripper. Its flat bottom shape supports steadier drainage, giving your pouring technique some welcome flexibility. It's compact, inexpensive to build around, and ideal for one carefully made cup. But you're still managing a kettle, scale, filters, and several manual steps. Its dedicated filters can also be harder to replace than standard cone options. Skip it if weekday coffee must happen automatically. For low-fuss coffee across several servings, pick the Espro P3 French Press. Its 32-ounce capacity suits households, while the double-filter design aims for less sediment than a basic press. Plunging also separates the brewed coffee from the grounds. The trade-off is ownership fuss. Its glass carafe needs careful handling, and the two-piece filter takes more rinsing. Skip it if you want a metal vessel, minimal cleanup, or a traditional press design. For a weekly cold coffee routine, choose the OXO Good Grips Cold Brew Coffee Maker. It produces a substantial batch of concentrate, and its dedicated dispenser keeps serving straightforward. That works well when you'd rather prep once than brew every morning. However, the batch-focused design occupies more refrigerator and counter space than compact alternatives. Its coffee also trends more assertive. Skip it if storage is limited or you only make occasional small portions. For hands-on home espresso, the Profitec GO Espresso Machine fits buyers ready to learn. Adjustable brewing temperature and shot timing provide meaningful control, while its substantial construction suits long-term ownership. But the machine is only part of the purchase. You'll also need a capable espresso grinder and additional tools, and a steaming pitcher isn't included. Steam power isn't its strongest feature, either. Skip it if you prioritize milk drinks, capsule convenience, or a lower total setup cost. For fast capsule espresso, choose the Nespresso Essenza Mini. Its tiny footprint and button-based routines suit small kitchens, single servings, and rushed mornings. There's no grinder to adjust or loose coffee to manage. Convenience brings recurring costs, though, because capsules cost more over time. The 20.3-ounce tank and 6-capsule bin also need regular attention. It only makes espresso sizes, and larger mugs require drip tray removal. Skip it if you want whole beans or full-size coffee. Quick split: Kalita for beginner pour-over, Espro for easy press batches, OXO for weekly cold brew, Profitec for espresso control, and Nespresso for capsule speed. Before buying, check counter height, storage room, serving size, filter availability, cleanup steps, and whether your routine needs a grinder or kettle. Start with the Kalita if you want affordable control. Switch to Espro for volume, OXO for weekly prep, Profitec for espresso craft, or Nespresso for pure speed. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.